Need to peel garlic fast? Just place the cloves inside a jar and shake for 5 seconds. The skins fall right off. No mess, no smell on your hands.
Here's a shortcut to keep your cutting board from slipping. Place a damp kitchen towel underneath, and instantly, your board stays steady while you chop. Simple, safe, and super effective.
Here's how to stop cheese from drying out. Rub a tiny bit of vegetable oil on the cut surface, and it stays fresh and soft for days.
Want instant flavor in your cooking? Chop fresh herbs, place them in an ice tray, and cover with olive oil. Freeze them, and you've got ready-to-use flavor cubes anytime.
Cleaning a blender doesn't have to be a struggle. Add warm water and a drop of soap, blend for a few seconds, and your blender cleans itself.